So at Otter Arms, when I won his 300 subscriber giveaway, he sent me a challenge. He sent me a MacGyver bag. 2 black zip ties, 3 rubber bands, clothespin, Q-tips, thumbtack, plastic bag, condom, mostly empty Bic, and a USB charger. And he challenged me to open any lock with the contents. So, first thought, take the clothespin apart, make kind of a pick rake type deal out of the spring, and then use the child safety from the lighter as a tension tool. So let's see. I bent all this stuff by hand. I didn't use any outside tools or anything. Okay, let's see. Maybe I can move it now. I need a new camera. I use my phone and a tripod, and it's just... Right now I'm just trying to kind of use it like a rake. I might have too much tension on it, or I might not be tensioning it at all. I don't think I was tensioning it at all. Yeah, I wasn't tensioning it at all. I just did this. If I could see, but you know, where's the fun in that? There we go. So yeah, that was the MacGyver bag challenge from the Otter Arms package I got. I used the lighter to make the tensioner, and I used the clothespin to make the rake. And so there's a few other things in there I might have an idea about. So what I think I'm going to do is go through my padlocks and see if I have anything that can be shimmed, because I'm not sure if I do.